If you love stories that mix past lives, friendship, and destiny, then Chicago Typewriter is a must-watch.